What if your favorite local business could access real-time data without cameras, wires, or creepy surveillance? That's the mission of the Dôr Collective, a community-led push to get 1,000 stores online with privacy-first analytics powered by Constellation Network. It starts with the door traffic miner, a peel and stick, battery-operated sensor that connects over Wi-Fi and tracks foot traffic in real time. The data flows into a live dashboard, giving brick-and-mortar shops the same insights online retailers use: traffic trends, peak hours, and conversion rates. And every data point is verified on Constellation's powerful, secure blockchain, ensuring trust, transparency, and scale. Refer a business, and they get their $300 device free. You get $150 in cash and $150 in Dôr tokens. They get their $300. You get yours. Join the Dôr Collective. Fill out our quick entry survey to get started. Let's open the door to better data together. Constellation Network. We build trust into tomorrow.